The latest tool in tracking terrorists is being pushed by an Israeli company called Genesis Electronic Warfare. The tool is software that monitors the calling patterns of persons of interest to authorities.
We're not monitoring the actual content of those conversations, but merely trying to generate a communicational behavior.
The plotters and radical groups get around phone taps by simply changing their SIM cards and phone numbers. That won't outsmart this software. Genesis tracks the people the subject contacts. It also monitors locations from which calls are made. Through this, it develops a calling profile that is independent of a phone number. And by tracking a number of subjects, they can follow the pyramid to determine who is the leader. Any of us could end up scrutinized by this Genesis program. If an Islamic radical who's being tracked decides he wants to talk to a reporter and calls me, Genesis will monitor who I contact for a while, until the system determines that I'm boring and moves on to something else. If a subject being monitored suddenly travels or breaks from his normal calling pattern, Genesis realizes that something is up.
Once we have a deviation from the standard behavior, we immediately trigger an alert.
Radicals can still go low-tech and pass notes or messages through word of mouth and get around this monitoring software. But the people at Genesis are marketing their program as one more tool in the war against terror. In Rehovot, Israel, Mike Tobin, Fox News.